Years ago, Parshuram, a 14-year-old boy, arrived in our colony from the nearby slums. He was eager to serve, running errands for the elderly, cleaning stairways, and cheerfully handling the garbage. His willingness to learn inspired us to teach him English, science, and math. In time, he excelled in academics and later became a leader in his community. Like Parshuram, Moses was an ordinary shepherd when he encountered God in the burning bush. His simple yet profound response, "Here I am," opened the door for him to become God's chosen instrument to lead his people out of Egypt. He was naturally diffident about assuming the heavy responsibility God was calling him to. But God reassured him, "I will be with you." The hermits of Mount Carmel, too, responded to God's call, seeking Mary's intercession as they devoted themselves to prayer and ministry. God always calls the humble and equips them for his mission. Are we open to listen, receive, and respond when God speaks to us? Or are we too mixed up, distracted, or hesitant? God calls each of us to help others break free from sin, addiction, and selfishness. Today, he invites us to say yes to his call.